In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a time entry in Clio Manage. If you've logged time to the wrong matter, duplicated an entry, or simply need to clean up your records, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to remove a time entry quickly and confidently. First, open Clio Manage and head straight to Activities. This is the central place where your time entries live, alongside any other logged work. Give the page a second to load so all filters apply correctly. Next, find the specific time entry you want to delete. If you have a long list, use the tools at the top to narrow it down. Pick a date range that matches when the time was recorded, then apply a matter filter to focus on a single file. If you remember a keyword from the description, use the search bar to zero in even faster. Tip: if you don't see what you expect, clear your filters and try again, or widen the date range to make sure nothing is hidden. Once you've located the entry, open the actions. You can do this by clicking the Edit drop-down or selecting the Actions menu that appears to the right of the entry. Depending on your screen size and settings, this might look like a small arrow or a three-dot icon. Both lead to the same controls. Choose Delete from the menu. Clio will prompt you to confirm before anything is removed. Take a moment here to double-check the details: matter, date, duration, and description, to make sure you're deleting the correct item. If the entry is tied to a draft bill, remember that deleting it will remove it from that bill. If it has already been finalized and posted, you may need to handle billing adjustments separately, so verify before you proceed. When you're certain, click Delete on the confirmation prompt to finalize the removal. The system will process the change right away. To verify the entry is gone, look back at your activities list. If you still have filters applied, the list should update automatically. If not, refresh the page or run the same search again. The deleted entry should no longer appear. If you're not seeing the change, clear filters or adjust the date range and check that you have the correct permissions for the matter. That's it. You've successfully deleted a time entry in Clio Manage. Keeping your activities list accurate helps ensure clean reports and billing down the line. If you found this helpful, consider reviewing your recent entries for any other cleanups you might need. Thanks for watching.